SEAL Team, Crypto Revolution. That's right, we're back for another how-to. The word today is XRP. And if you've been into crypto, and even if you haven't, you've probably heard of XRP. XRP is a wonderful asset that was growing alongside Bitcoin, growing alongside Ethereum, and a lot of the top coins. And then they basically hit the pause button. There was a lawsuit, it froze everything, the price dropped, and it basically got put on hold. Now, for the people that were already in it, that was not necessarily a good thing. But for people like us who regret not getting into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a lot of the other top coins back when everyone was telling us, this is an excellent thing because it's basically behind a couple years. That lawsuit is almost over, and there's been some good news and stuff coming out. I highly recommend you go out there and check it out for yourself, do your research. But if the charts are telling us anything, it's on its way back up to the moon. The rockets are blaring, folks. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get into this. We're going to buy some XRP today. I'm going to show you how I do it. There might be better ways out there, but this is how I do it, and I'd like to share it with you. Before we go ahead and get into the live view, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, notch that bell, do all the YouTube things, give us some love, and let's go ahead and get into it. That's right, XRP. So this is the chart, and as you can see, over the last couple of months, it was doing real stagnant, and then something happened. And as you can see, the mountain started building. It had a nice healthy pullback, and once again, headed back up. XRP has come to life after being on pause for a long time. Now, we're going to go ahead and look at a couple different indicators that I'm using that telling me that it's time to get into this. But you've probably already heard. You probably already know all about XRP and why you should get in there. But again, do your research. Look up, Google XRP price predictions. Go ahead and Google and look up what is the future of Ripple XRP. Look at what that lawsuit's about and look at the good news and the headlines that have been hitting recently. All of the different exchanges around the US have made it very, very difficult to purchase XRP. They've suspended trading altogether. And right now, my guess is once this lawsuit's over, they're going to turn it right back on again and let everyone get back into it. But it's already going up. And that means people are finding a way to buy it. Now, if you're in the US like I am, you know it's next to impossible to get your hands on some XRP. But I found a way, and we're going to go ahead and do it right now. So as you can see, as of today in the making of this video, XRP is trading currently at $1.59. Why is that important? Well, when you look at those price predictions that I told you about, a lot of these professionals, these guys over at Prime XBT, they've got some pretty excellent reviews. Go ahead and check them out. But don't ever listen to just one opinion. Again, go look for yourselves. And I am not a financial advisor, folks. A disclaimer, I'm just another crypto nerd in the space. But according to these folks, as you can see on their predictions here, they're saying 2021 could have a potential high of $4. And over here you got your potential low of 5 cents. Okay. Now they know the lawsuit's going to end in 2021, and from there it's probably going to start taking off. And they're saying here 2022, their prediction is it's going to have a high of $22 and a potential low of 50 cents. So it might fluctuate between those prices. But then with 2023, look at this, potential high of $160. That's amazing. That means for every $1.59 that you spend potentially today on XRP in 2023 could be worth $160. And it could go higher, it could be lower, you don't know. Everything is a gamble in this. The thing is, do you believe? I know I do, and that's why I'm buying some XRP today. And I'm going to show you. We're going to do this with minimal fees, and we're going to do this using two platforms. And if you're not in the crypto space yet, congrats, because this is one of the platforms, probably one of the first that you should get into. I will have links in the description and instructions written out, step 1, step 2, step 3, so that you can easily follow along with the video. But the first platform that you need to be setting up is Coinbase. Now this is a Coinbase account that I use just for these videos. But what you're going to need to do is go to Coinbase, set up the account, and if you use my link in the description, check it out. You will get $10 of free Bitcoin for absolutely nothing other than just setting up the account and doing some trades. You will get $10 in free Bitcoin. And on top of that, if you go into the reward section, over here on the side, you have the reward section. You can watch these little 2-minute videos and then answer a question and get yourself some free crypto. It's a great way to get into the space. It's a great way to start learning and to start trading, and you can trade those crypto centers. You can do whatever you want. It's free money. I recommend you do it. Check it out. So we're going to go to Coinbase, and the way we're going to go ahead and get XRP is we're going to need a common currency that's used just about anywhere. In this case, you could use Bitcoin or you could use Ethereum. Now, I'm going to use Ethereum because the network on Ethereum is a hell of a lot faster. It transfers so much quicker. So we're going to go ahead and use Ethereum. And what you're going to do is once you get your Coinbase set up, you got your bank information in there so you can send money there. You're going to go buy you some Ethereum. And as you can see, look at the third coin. Okay, you go into Coinbase, you see Bitcoin, you see Ethereum, you see XRP. It's the third one on the list, folks. It's the third one. But you know what's different about XRP here? There's no trade button. They're not going to let you purchase it right now because of that lawsuit. But once the lawsuit's over, that trade button is going to pop back up, and it's going to be easy to get. And the more people who get it, they're going to cause it to go to the moon. But we're going to go ahead and get some of this anyways. And we're going to use Ethereum to do so. So to get you some Ethereum, once you're in here, you go into trade, and this little box is going to pop up. Right here, if you see that dollar sign, you can put the dollar amount worth of Ethereum that you would like to purchase. Okay, that makes it a lot easier. Everyone understands dollars or their local currency, so it makes it real easy. Now, for this particular trade, we want to do $50 worth. So you're going to put, however much you want. If you want $100, $200, however much you want, you put it in there. You can see you've got your bank information set up. You're buying Ethereum. You're going to hit that preview buy button. And it's going to pop up like this, and it's going to tell you. Now, Coinbase is going to charge you a fee. They're a broker. They've got to make a little money. But they're going to charge a little fee, but we're going to get $48.01 worth of Ethereum, and the amount of Ethereum will pop up here. Now, for the sake of this video and time, I've already done this, but you'd hit the buy now button, it would go through, and boom, you've now got Ethereum in your account, ready to go. So then the next step is you're going to want to go look at your portfolio. Okay, and that's this little button over here, the second one down. You're going to want to go into your portfolio, and that's where you keep all your cryptos. Alright, so here we are, and you can see we've got some Ethereum here that we just purchased. So we're going to go ahead and go into Ethereum, and this is our wallet. It's just like the wallet in your back pocket. You bought some Ethereum, it went into your wallet, and every coin has a different wallet. That's the only difference. You don't keep all your money in one wallet, you keep every single type of currency on each platform in a different wallet. So anyways, now we have this Ethereum here, we can send it. You can also receive. If you click on receive and people want to send you Ethereum, or you want to send Ethereum to your Coinbase, you can go through this, you click I understand, and you've got your address right here, and you've got a QR code to make it kind of simple as well. But anyways, we aren't doing that. We need to send this Ethereum out, and the platform where you're going to be able to buy XRP, and I'm going to show you how, is on KuCoin. Again, links in the description. And this right here is your KuCoin. Set this platform up. Now, they do have a bunch of verifications and stuff, but you don't have to go through an extensive amount of verifications, because KuCoin, as long as you're sending crypto in, they don't care. They need verifications for all their bank info, so you can do that. But you can do this today just by sending crypto in. It'll work. So what you're going to want to do is sign up, get into your KuCoin, and then from there you're going to want to go, once it's all set up, you'll go into your assets up top here. It'll take a little bit to load. And there we go. She's loading on up. So you're going to have multiple different accounts in your KuCoin, okay? You have a trading account. But the one that we're going to focus on right now is our main account. We're going to click on that. And that takes us into our main account on KuCoin. And as you can see, well, look at that. We've already got some XRP. We've got 27 in here, and that was a test I did to make sure that it functioned and worked before I made the video. But you can see we also have our Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum, and a bunch of other tokens. But what we're looking for is Ethereum. And why? Because we want to deposit Ethereum into our KuCoin. We're going to go back to Coinbase and send the Ethereum over here to KuCoin. So you click on deposit, and you're going to see this pop up. Okay, and it's going to say, and right here, this address, that's what you're looking for. So an easy copy button here, you can click that and it'll copy your address. And this is a public address, like you can share this with anyone. You don't have to hide it. The worst anything will happen if someone has your address is they might send you some money. So you don't have to worry about people seeing that. And that's the wonderful thing about crypto, is it's very, very safe. But now that we have that copy, we're going to head back on over to Coinbase, and we want to send that $50 that we bought. So we're going to put $50 worth of Ethereum, and we're going to go ahead and send that to that address. So we're going to go ahead and paste it, and there it is, a bunch of letters and numbers. So we want to send $50 worth of Ethereum to that address. Okay, make sure everything looks correct on there. We're going to hit continue. And this pops up. You are sending $49.97. Now, why did it take away 3 pennies? Well, that's because there's going to be some charges. That's what we're going to get. And as you can see, it's actually going to charge $52 worth, because you got to pay the miners who are doing all the transactions to get the stuff back and forth safely. So it's a small little fee. But that right there is going to be the only fees that you pay in this entire thing to get your XRP. So we're going to go ahead and send it. Now, Ethereum, again, it's a faster network. You could do the same thing with Bitcoin. Oh, we need a 2-step verification code, so let's go ahead and do that. And that's the wonderful thing about these accounts, is it's not easy for anyone to go ahead and steal your stuff. Go ahead and put this number in there. Hit confirm, and that way no one can sneak into your account and try to send your money out. And boom, just like that. And we got a little bit more. It looks like the price might have gone up a little bit. And the price is fluctuating, so it might change a few pennies here and there. And as you can see, it says this transaction usually takes less than 10 minutes for it to show up. So that's what we're waiting for. It has been sent from our Coinbase, and we're not going to use Coinbase anymore. We've bought our crypto, we've sent our crypto, and now we are waiting for our crypto over here in KuCoin. And through the magic of editing and the magic of video, we're going to go ahead and transform to the moment where that shows up. I'll let you know how many minutes it takes.
A few moments later.
All right, folks, we're back. And it took exactly 4 minutes. That's all it took. 4 minutes. And as you can see up here in the corner here on KuCoin, we have a notification. And it popped up and it says you have received some Ethereum. Right on. Let's go check it out. So we're going to go up here into assets on KuCoin yet again. Give her a second to load up. And as you can see, our balance has increased. And that should be because we have Ethereum. That's right. And it looks like we've got $49.92. So we wanted to send over about $50 worth. That's not bad, folks. We almost got the full amount there over in the KuCoin. So now that that's there, we want to transfer it. Now we're transferring it within KuCoin. They have these multiple different accounts. This is our main account where you keep everything. But what we're going to do is we are going to trade our Ethereum for XRP. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to hit the transfer button over here on our Ethereum that we just received. Click on transfer. And what we want, you can see the arrows pointing this direction. We want to go from our main account over to our trading account. And we only want to send our Ethereum, and the amount, it shows you with the full amount right here. And if you just want to do the whole thing, you just click on the numbers and it's going to auto populate for you right here. So from our main account to the trading account, Ethereum, full amount, confirm, and just like that, all of our Ethereum is now moved over to the trading account. So once again, back to assets, you click on it. Give it a second to load, and you'll see now that in our trading account, we actually have a balance. And the price of Ethereum is going up and down constantly, so you'll see it kind of fluctuate, you know. It's 49 and 88 cents now. So, you know, a couple cents here and there depending on what the price of Ethereum is doing. But it doesn't cost anything to move from your main account to your trading account. But now that that's there, we get to do what some people think is the complicated part, because there's a bunch of numbers and lines and all this complicated stuff. It's overwhelming. It was overwhelming for me as well. But you have to understand, it's just a whole bunch of metrics, and over time you'll learn how to read those metrics, but there's only a key few parts that we're interested in order to use the trading platform. Now, to get to the trading platform, what you're going to do is come up here to trade, and you want to click on spot trading. Okay, I've already clicked on that. When you do, it'll bring you up to a screen that looks just like this. And again, you can do this with Bitcoin if you want. We used Ethereum because we just want to do our transfers quick. We don't want to wait with Bitcoin. Could have taken 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It takes a lot longer. Ethereum is a much faster network, and that's why we used it. But anyway, here we are. So this is the trading platform. Now what you're going to want to do is I already got XRP pulled up here, and as you can see, if you read up here, I've got XRP and Ethereum. That's a pair. And since we have Ethereum in our trading account, which you can see down in this area here, we're going to be using Ethereum. But up here, this little arrow, you click on that, and there's a little search bar. And if you want to get XRP, type in XRP. And what happens is all the different cryptos that you can use to trade for XRP pop up. You know, you've got Tether up here. You know, you've got USDC. Okay, you've got KCS, which is KuCoin's native coin. But as you go down, there's Pax, and then Ethereum, which we're going to use. And then, of course, BTC, which is Bitcoin. So if you wanted to use Bitcoin, you'd click on that one. But we're doing Ethereum. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, the Bitcoin one looks like this. Very similar. They all look the same. It's loading up. That's what it looks like. So these are people who have Bitcoin and XRP, and they're trading them back and forth. Okay, that's what the pair means. So we know we have Ethereum in this account. We know we got about $50 worth. So XRP, Ethereum, here it is. And as you can see in your main account here, it's showing that we have, you know, what we have in our main account. And then it shows in our trading account right here that we have this much Ethereum, which we know is about $50 worth. Okay, so we're going to do this. Now when you come in here, this little bottom corner is going to ask for your trading password, which is just a 6-digit password that you set up when you set up your KuCoin account. And that just makes it so you don't accidentally trade or anything. But you just type that in, and then this box right here will pop up. Okay? So we're going to do this really simply. If you want to do a limit, you can actually set what price you want to pay of your Ethereum and how much XRP you want to get. And if you get confused and you don't know, you can tell these big green button down here, there's two sections, split it in half. This is where you would buy your XRP, and this is where you would sell it. Okay, but we have Ethereum and we want to buy XRP. So that's what we're going to do. Now, we're not going to set our own prices. Just to make this quick, we're just going to say whatever the market price is right now. We don't feel like waiting. If you were willing to wait and wanted to get a better price, you could go a little bit lower and see if the price came down to it, and you'd see your orders and everything over here. But we want this to go fast. So we're going for the best market price. So you click on market, best market price, and we want to use all of our Ethereum. So they've got these handy buttons here, 25%, 50, 75, 100. We want to use 100% of our Ethereum, and you can see it auto-populated. And now we're going to put buy XRP. So this is it, folks. I'm in the United States. I'm on KuCoin. I quickly sent over Ethereum. And now I'm going to click this button, and we're going to have XRP. We had 27, and as you can see, look right here, I've got 27.7 XRP that was already in there from earlier. We're going to spend $50 in Ethereum now and get that XRP. Ready? Click the button. You have placed your order successfully. So it says. And look at that, the numbers have changed. So in our main account, we have 27.7 XRP, and in our trading account, we now have 31.3 XRP. Now you could leave it in your trading account if you'd like. I don't do that. I want to go put it back in my main account, and then it's just going to sit there. That's where I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to come over here and hit this transfer button. And I want to put it back in my main account. So I'm going to hit this middle button to switch it around, because right now it says main account to trading account. I want to go from my trading account to my main account. So I'm going to hit that flip button. There we go. And it's going to ask what coin. Well, we don't have Ethereum anymore. We have XRP. And it's pretty smart. It has it right up top there ready for you. So we're going to click on XRP and how much. I want the full amount, so I'm going to click on the full amount. Auto populates, and I'm going to confirm. And there we go. My XRP is now on my main account, and I can go over there and look. And as you can see, I now have 59.12 XRP in my main account. And you see, folks, it's really simple, really easy, really fast. This is something that anybody can do. And I know in the beginning it can be very overwhelming, but that's the whole point of this channel. The entire point of this channel is to learn together, to build wealth together. And I know this can be difficult, and there's all different types of generations out there now getting into this. We are the pioneers of crypto. And it's a very exciting time to be alive. It's a very exciting opportunity to be able to invest in the future of currency. And we're here at that moment, in this moment in time, ready to do so. So very, very exciting. So folks, that's how easy it is to get XRP in the US. Very simple. And again, I'll put detailed instructions down in the description of this video. Also check out the other links that are there. If you found any type of value in this video, or if it helped you out, consider making a donation. We are 100% viewer supported. We appreciate every one of you at SEAL Team and Crypto Revolution, our wonderful Discord. Discord, if you don't know what it is, very quickly I will touch on it. It is a chat platform. I'm in there all the time. If you have questions, or you're struggling, or you need help, go down in the description. There'll be an invite there. You can click on that. It'll invite you into Discord. Go into the main crypto chat and just type and say, hey, I need help. And either myself or someone else will come in there and give you a hand. Or if you just want to go in there and BS and talk about your crypto escapades or trade tips with each other, that's what it's there for. Again, remember, if you do not have a Coinbase account, click the link. It'll be step 1 okay? And you, once you get your first trades out of the way, you will receive automatically $10 worth of free Bitcoin, and then you've got the rewards that you can do there too. Last I checked, I think it's like $35, 40, possibly even more of free crypto. So if you don't have a Coinbase account yet, go do that. It's free money. Worst case scenario, you do it, you let it sit, you forget about it, you come back and look at it however many years down the road and go, oh my goodness. It's a wonderful thing, folks. So with that, again, I ask that you kindly hit that subscribe button. Kindly hit that thumbs up button. And the haters, oh, the haters, thank you so much for engaging with this video and hitting the thumbs down button as well. Whatever button you want to hit, I don't care. Hit them all. Get those notifications on too. We're going to make all kinds of how-to and help videos and tip videos to make sure that you can get in on the crypto game as well. With that said, my name is Sergio, and I look forward to building wealth with you. Peace.